Hey guys, let's see how to set up this mini body camera. It's pretty simple to use. You can get this on Amazon. There's this white color and also comes with this black color, just like mine, you see? Pretty easy to use, pretty small as well, see here comparing to my hand. So I'm going to show you how to set up, recording to the SD card, and you can also watch the videos directly on your cell phone. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, you can just watch the video from there. And you can also watch your video from your computer, okay? So let me just start showing here that you can insert an SD card into the camera. That's the first thing that I have to do. You see here, there's this flap. You just need to open it, and then you're gonna insert the SD card. There's also a connection for the cable, and here a reset button, okay? So you're going to insert the SD card. You just need to grab a good one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this one. Otherwise, it's not gonna work fine, right? And to insert the SD card here, you just need to face it in the opposite part of the camera, the back of the camera, and insert that way, okay? See, the lens is here, and then just face the opposite direction, and just press, you push here, you hear click, and you're good to go, okay? And it comes with the accessories here, so you can use the cable to charge the camera. You see here, it's a USB-C to USB-A. So when you connect here, you can charge it. Let me just show here if you want to charge your device. Let me just put this here so you see how it works. Basically, this is a power bank. You see that's charging the camera. The LED stays that way, like pink, until it charges, right? Then you just remove from here. When it's charged, you're good to go, okay? So super simple. And you can also connect this to your computer so you can watch the video from there. I'm gonna show this in a while. There is also a microphone here, so you can record audio as well. And the camera right now is on. You press and hold to turn it on and turn it off. I just press and hold in here. You see that's going to turn it off. It vibrates. And when I press and hold again, is going to turn on. There we go. It's on right now with just light blue, but it's not recorded yet. Okay? And to start recording, you just need to press once and it starts flashing and recording. And you can use the accessory you see here that comes with this magnetic support. So you can just put it here that way, and you can hang this somewhere or around your neck. So super simple. Comes also with this one. There is a clip here. So I can just snap this into place and use this clip and hang the camera somewhere. It also comes with this accessory, so you can remove the card from the camera, insert it here, and you can read on your computer using a USB port. Super simple. And also this strap that you can just put here and hang your camera as well. Okay, so let's just put the camera back there and start recording. If I press once here, it starts recording. So when I press it, you see that starts flashing. Now it's recording, right? And to stop recording, just press again and it stops. Super simple. Let me just put the camera back there and I'm gonna press one time and it's recording right now, okay? And then I just need to come here on my cell phone and watch from here if I want to, okay? So let me just bring the camera back here. I wanna press one more time and then it stops recording. No longer recording, right? And I can watch here on my cell phone. I just need to find the camera on the cell phone. And the camera to be discoverable, you just need to press twice here. You see now it's flashing. Now the camera is discoverable. So you just need to come here to your cell phone. Let me just put the camera here and bring my cell phone closer. The camera is flashing back there. And then you come here to the App Store and look for this app, Sports-DV. That's the one. Just pay attention to this icon. That's the one that I need to get. I already have installed here, so I just need to open it. And that's the one that's going to connect to your camera via Wi-Fi, right? So you just need to come here to your cell phone and look for the camera's Wi-Fi. So the camera is not going to connect to your router. It's going to connect directly to your phone. You see here, I found the camera already. If it's not here, you just need to refresh, wait for a while, and it's going to find your camera. So basically you're connecting here to the camera's Wi-Fi. So just tap here and enter the password. For this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just hit join. It's connected to the camera, okay? So your cell phone is going to alert you that there's no internet available, of course, because you're just connecting to your camera. You're not connecting to your router. See, no internet connection. That's okay, okay? So just come back here to the camera app. And now we just need to hit play. Let me just put the camera back there so you can see something moving, right? So just hit play here, and it's going to see the camera live. Right, so it's working. Let me just move the camera a little bit. There we go. It's working right now live. It's not recording yet. Remember, to record, you just need to come to the camera and press that button, or you can record from here as well. So just press here once and starts recording. You see that's flashing, and you see the indication that's recording right now. And it's recording into the SD card back there. You see here also the battery level. So I need to charge the camera. Sometimes you see the cell phone saying that's not connected to the internet. It doesn't matter. Just hit here, keep trying Wi-Fi, and you're good to go, right? And then here, I'm just stopped recording. I'm just bring the volume down here. And now, if you wanna watch the video, just need to come here, this icon, and then you select your card, just right here. You see that I have a photo there and also videos, a lot of videos, right? That was recording here. Then I can just hit play to watch here, or I can download also to my gallery here on my cell phone. You see that's downloading right now. Then I can have here on a gallery, or I can just remove the card from the camera and read on a computer, which is super simple as well. It takes some time to download because the video is pretty big. I was recording for some time there. Then I can play here. Let me just wait for it to finish. Then I can show you that comes to the gallery. There we go. And I can just come here, look for my gallery, and here I see that's there. See, it's playing already. So basically, it's working, okay? Super simple. Then you have here on your cell phone your video already, right? The other option is just grab the camera. Let me just grab it. And you see here that I'm going to turn it off. Just press and hold until it's off. And then I can just remove the card from here. You see it? And put on my computer. Let me just connect the cable first. Later I can do this with the card, right? So I will just grab this cable here that comes with the camera and connect it here. So the USB-C. And this I'm going to connect to the computer here, to the USB-C port. There we go. And then you see that becomes pink. And I come here to the computer. Just grab the mouse. You see here that I have the USB card, video, and you see all the videos here. Okay, basically working. Video number 4. There we go. Working, right? Super simple. Then you can just come here and eject. Say that's being used. Let me just cancel here, open one more time, and just eject. There we go. Now I can remove the camera from here, and just remove the card now. You see here that I can just push it, remove it from here. Now I can insert into this adapter. Also comes with the camera. Put it here. Let me see the position if it's correct. That's the way. That's the way to go. And then I come here to my computer again and insert here into the USB port, and it shows up here again. Okay, so one more time, it's just right here and it's working pretty fine. So super simple, okay? Just eject here and I can insert again to my card, my camera, sorry. There we go. I can come back here and put it back. Again, just facing the opposite direction. Push it, and I'm good to go. So super simple, you see, press and hold, so it's on, then I can press once and it starts recording, okay? So super simple to use, guys, there is no secret, and if you have some question, if it's not working for you, just let me know here in the comments, and remember that also works with Android device. Let me just show quickly here with an Android as well. So just come here to the App Store and you also download the same app. Come here and search and look for Sports TV. That's the one. You see that I have here already. Open it. You see the app here is a little bit different, but should work the same way. You need to connect to the Wi-Fi. And remember that you need to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi first, right? So you can come here to your Wi-Fi and look for the camera. Remember to come here and grab the camera. Just press the button twice. There we go. It's flashing back there. And then you're gonna see popping up here. See, that sometimes takes a while because I just press it twice. Usually it takes like 1 minute or even more to show up here. There we go. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect. And then you come back to the app and start using it, right? You see here, it complains about network, that's not working with the Wi-Fi, that's okay, because it just need to connect directly to the camera, right? Let me just put the camera back there one more time. And just hit play here. And you see that's working, right? It works the same way. You can just come here, watch your videos from the card. Just remember to press the card here, otherwise you don't see the videos or the photos, right? There we go. So super simple to work with this camera, okay? So basically that's the way you can have your mini body camera working here with your cell phone. No matter if you use an iPhone or an Android, it's going to work, and also you can watch the video from a computer. Hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.